हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। मैंने 3 सितंबर को एक बात लिखी और बहुत बोल्डली लिखा, एकदम क्लैरिटी के साथ। व्हाट इट वाज रिटन, कैन द रैली इन क्रूड ऑयल बी चैलेंज्ड नियर October 7, 2023 प्लस माइनस ए फ्यू डेज एज वेल एज इन्फ्लेशन। अगर मैं 1 अक्टूबर की बात करूं तो प्राइस ऑफ क्रूड ऑयल MCX was near 7,500 and today the price of crude oil at MCX is at 6,299, although it hit the low of 6,000 on 16th of November last Thursday. Not only that crude oil has dropped by 1,500 points from 1st of October, but inflation is also cooling off. I said one more point about a month back or so, or 2 months back in this series of the videos only, that there is a very remote probability that interest rates will go up. Most of the central banks will hesitate to increase the interest rate, and that has happened. That's all God's grace. High inflation and higher interest rates hit very hard to the growth, but the economy is still standing. We are still growing at a okay pace. At the same time, seeing a negative impact also, we all are at an alert. Now, what if US GDP grow by more than 2% in year 2024? Overall, the prediction for 2024 is that US may grow by 1%. Say if it grow by 2+%, what would be the outcome? Okay, now we are at fight. There is a war between already elevated valuations and the favorable economic growth. But if I have to say only one view, so that view is that macro are going to win in times to come. So 2024 is going to be very volatile. Elevated valuations and better favorable macro factors, and most of the countries maintaining the growth rates. That all together at the same time will make 2024 a very volatile year. Large swings can be witnessed in the next year. That is an opportunity for investors and traders, as well as a threat if we are on wrong track and not changing our positions quickly. So with these words, I will only like to say lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students, friends, and relatives. For years I am only saying hello students, but most of the students either have become my good friend or even my gurus. So with a lots of love from core of my heart,